Hello, today we will guide you through how to add images and videos in Behance. To begin, go to Behance in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you are on the main Behance page and ready to access your account area. This is the starting point for creating or updating a project that includes visual media. Next, click on your Behance profile at the upper right of your screen. This will take you into your personal workspace where you can manage your content and start building a project. If you are already signed in, this step should bring you directly to your profile page. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the right place before continuing. From there, scroll until you locate the Create a Project option. This is the area you'll use to begin uploading and organizing the content you want to share. If you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling carefully through your profile page until the option appears. Selecting this will open the project editor, where you can add different types of media to your Behance project. Once you're in the editor, click on Image and choose the file you want to upload. This is where you can add photos, artwork, mock-ups, or any other visual files you want included in your project. After clicking the image option, your device's file picker should open, allowing you to browse and select the correct file. It's a good idea to make sure your image files are clearly named beforehand so they're easy to find. After adding images, click on Video or Audio and choose the file you want to upload. This lets you include motion content or sound-based media as part of the same Behance project. Just like with images, your file browser will open so you can select the correct media file from your device. Be patient if the file is large, since videos and audio can take longer to upload than images. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to publish your project. Behance may guide you through a few final setup screens, such as reviewing your content, adjusting project details, or confirming everything is ready. Since these screens can vary slightly, the best approach is to carefully read each prompt and complete the required fields as they appear. Before publishing, it's helpful to quickly review your uploaded media to make sure everything looks correct and is in the order you want. That's it. You've now gone through the process of adding images and videos in Behance and preparing your project to proceed for publishing.